Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a delicious starter dish. We're going to prepare a hummus, a classic hummus. Its origins date back to the 13th century in the Levant area in the Middle East, and the first published version of this recipe came from a cookbook from Syria in the late 13th century. This dish, famous across the Middle East and Northern Africa, became popular all around the world because it's delicious, it's versatile, and it's vegan. Nowadays, you can make hummus with roasted red bell peppers, with spinach, with beets, etc. We're going to prepare a classic version today, just chickpeas and garlic, and I think you're going to love it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 1 pound of chickpeas, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of tahini, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and to garnish roasted red bell peppers, parsley, and sumac. Salt to taste. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our chickpeas or garbanzo beans in a bowl, and we're going to cover them with water. We're going to let them sit overnight so they rehydrate and get plump. After they soak overnight, we're going to strain them and rinse them. Now with our chickpeas ready, we're going to put them in a pot. And we're going to cover them with water. It needs to have at least 1 inch over the chickpeas. Now we're going to add our baking soda. This is going to create an alkaline solution that's going to help us remove the skins. We're going to put it at high heat until it reaches a boiling point. Now that it's boiling, we're going to remove all this foam. This is all the impurities we got from the garbanzo beans. Now we're going to lower to a low heat, and we're going to let our garbanzo beans simmer for 1 hour to 2 hours, covered until they're soft. After 1 hour and a half, that's what it takes, we're going to check the consistency. You can see now they're nice and soft, and we can press them easily. I'm going to reserve some of the cooking water just in case I need it later. And now we're going to strain and rinse again. We're going to transfer our garbanzo beans to a bowl and let them cool down for a little bit. This is optional. I'm going to cover them again with water. And if you give them a massage, all the skins are going to remove easily. This is a trick to make your hummus a little bit more smooth. You can see all the skins are coming off. Now I'm going to remove all those skins. And we're ready to make our hummus. Now we're going to add all our chickpeas or garbanzo beans into a food processor. And we're going to pulse it until we start creating a paste. Now that we have a paste of chickpeas, it's time to prepare our hummus. We're going to add our garlic cloves. I'm using 3. I like it garlicky. Our cumin. Our tahini. And I choose 2 lemons. I'm only going to use a little bit first, and then I can adjust later. Now we're going to pulse again. Now it's time to taste. This is looking great. Now we're going to add salt. I'm going to add a couple of pinches of salt. This is to my taste. You can add more or less. Then we're going to start our food processor again. Low speed. And we're going to start adding our olive oil. In a slow stream until we get the consistency that we want. And now our hummus is ready. We're going to give it one more try so we can adjust. For me, this is perfect. I'm going to put it in a serving bowl. I'm going to make a groove in the middle so we can garnish. This is just for presentation. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to add some olive oil, extra virgin. We're going to add a little bit of chopped parsley. I'm going to put a little bit of the red bell peppers in the center. And to finalize, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sumac. You can also use paprika or cayenne pepper. And now our hummus is ready. Our hummus is ready and it looks fantastic. I have some pita chips to try it, so let's see how it came out. Delicious and creamy. Those flavors go together real well. Remember, you can do different types of hummus, like roasted red bell peppers or beets even. You got to give this recipe a shot. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you don't want to miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments if you want to see a special recipe in our channel. And at the end of this video, give us a like. Don't forget to visit our stores in YouTube and Amazon, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next time.